Well, what we'll do today is that we'll just go through a quick presentation. Um, Presentation is all about few habits, because basically, how is our day designed? Our day is designed by things with what we do, and everybody's got same amount of time in the day. Now, what you do during the day defines what you become, right? So, my experience of last 10, 12, 15 years of complete transformation which happened within me, and then of course a lot of people around me. So I'm going to share some of those habits, and these are not like textbook habits. These are something which I've lived with, right? So it is like something which is imbibed in my personality, in my daily life. So I hope you will find it valuable, and we'll start the presentation. And after the presentation, you can note down any questions which you might have, and then we can interact with those question and answers. And I would love to interact with everyone. All right, so shall we get started?
Sure.
All right. Thank you so much. Okay, so we'll start with a brief video. I've got a lot of videos in the presentation, right? So I don't want to make it boring. So my funda is that there'll be videos and there'll be least text. I don't want more text in my presentation, right? So, and you will see when we'll go through it. So like Saurabh said that the whole transformation journey was, of course, towards health and fitness, and therefore leading to many other aspects of life. Health and fitness was one kind of game changer in my life. And then I started with a very small runs and then took it to a very different level. This level is called Ironman, like Saurabh mentioned. Ironman is nothing, it's an international race. And you have to do a very, very strong training for that. You know, the training is around 6 to 8 months training is needed. A weekly training, just to give you a perspective, you need to put in around 30 to 35 hours of physical training in a week, which is around 4 to 5 hours a day. You have to put physical training, because that's how the race is designed. The race lasts for around 15 hours. So to last for 15 hours, you have to, of course, train for that much, duration. So we'll start with a bit of understanding what is this race all about. And there's a beautiful video here, and it's a pretty inspirational video. And let's start with that. So this is the name of the competition. It's called Ironman. And what happens in this competition is that there is 3.86 kilometers of swimming, followed by 180 kilometers of cycling, and followed by 42.2 kilometers of running. Now this happens in a non-stop situation. You don't stop. You just swim, and generally swimming is in the sea. So you swim in the sea, you come back, you start cycling, and then you start running. So everything happens in one flow, and it takes around 14 to 15 hours you are on the field, right? It is considered one of the most difficult events in the world today. And if you complete this entire sequence of swim, cycle, and run in specific time, you are given a title called Ironman. I think there are around 8 to 10 people in the country today who got this title, and I'm privileged to be one among those 8 to 10 people in the country. Well, it's more than just a race, and I want to show you a quick video here. You can hear, I think, the sound of the video will come.
It's just in my blood.
It's a feeling one can't describe.
Very nervous. Very nervous.
You can see the screen.
Very scared. It's just in my
It's much more than just a race. It's a feeling one can't describe.
Very nervous.
So thank you very much. This was a short video about the race. This is what is called Iron Man, after you've completed this entire sequence. Okay, and then, after I was doing this race, I thought, let me do something which I had never done before. And that something was writing. And a lot of people used to ask me, boss, everything is fine, but तेरे को इतना time कहाँ से मिलता है? We are doing our job, our family, everything. Where do you get time to do all this training and all? So then I decided that let me do something very creative, and I thought of actually thinking on this subject, where is the time, right? So I started researching on this. I started reading books on this, and I realized that everybody's got time. It's the way we are using it. Are we using it correctly or not? That is what is making the difference. So therefore, I wrote a book on this subject. So this book is called 5 Secrets. So basically, the book says that these are 5 time management secrets of ultra successful people. So I read about all hugely successful people in the world. How do they manage their time? What do they do in their time which we don't do, and what can we learn from them? And therefore, I wrote a book on this subject. It's called 5 Secrets. And surprisingly, and to my surprise, this actually book became the bestseller on Amazon. The moment it was listed, in half an hour, it was all stocked out. And I was surprised. My friends were calling me and saying, boss, book to hai nahi. It's all sold. And I was so glad. There's something which I never thought I'll become. And here I was. I just suddenly became an author. So while I was working, doing good in my job, I thought of doing Ironman. And while I was doing Ironman, I thought of writing. And while I was writing, I wrote the book, I published the book, I listed, and it became the bestseller. So a lot of things happened, and I'm glad it happened. So this is a short